So you want to learn how to use Photoshop for free? In this video, I'll show you a completely legal method that works on both Windows and Mac, and you don't need to download anything. First, open any web browser. I'm using Google Chrome, but any browser will work. In the address bar, type photopea.com and press enter. Once the site loads, you can close any banner at the top. This is the main interface. From here, you can click Open from Computer to load existing Photoshop files or other supported formats. Or, if you want to start fresh, click New Project. You'll be able to set your own dimensions or choose from presets. For example, you can select a YouTube cover size and click Create. Now you'll see a blank canvas that looks very similar to Photoshop. On the left, you have all your tools, and at the top, you'll find menus like File, Edit, and more, just like the real thing. Photopea is essentially a browser-based Photoshop alternative. It's free and legal because it's independently developed, not owned by Adobe. The platform is supported by ads, which appear on the side, but they're not intrusive and won't interrupt your work. And that's it. You can start editing right away, no installation needed. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more simple and useful tech tutorials.